No. Catch.
I think the birthday girl ought to catch it.
Okay.
Are you nuts? Okay, I'll try.
Yeah?
What if you get all wet?
You're gonna get all wet, I give you
No,
that.
no.
Ready?
Just throw it to her easy.
Easy.
I'm not a very good thrower though. You ready?
You're a girly thrower.
Oh, wait, I think your dad has something for you. Turn around. Turn around.
Oh, you missed that expression.
God.
It's a bird!
Whoa, look at
She
that.
needs somebody to hold the seat while she gets on.
And maybe some
Holy moly.
Sweet. It's perfect.
Ow, it hurt my feet.
Well, of course it does. You need shoes.
How do you make it bear?
All right. Great.
Okay, shoes on. Where are they? They even match the bite. Unbelievable.
Wow.
No, just to get off.
Yes, oh, get up.
Just. I don't want you to overbalance and hurt yourself.
Regan, you're gonna have to help us adjust these brakes because it's hitting on one side.
Isabel's riding on it. You can come sit on here.
Okay, he asked you and not me.
It's okay if you go. I will buckle in.
I'm the handyman.
It's okay.
You're right.
The handyman can.
Hey, my dad.
Oh, Candyman. Different reference entirely.
Are you going to help her?
Who's that for, Dad? You're giving me all the...
Boy, are you ever pulling in a hole.
Don't know if that's gonna fit. That's the thing.
Mom, thanks. Dad, thank you.
Now you better get your Uncle Regan to check that and make sure it fits. Because you might need a different size.
Ooh, even the lock. You guys are the best.
You are from McElwood, aren't you?
Hey,
I hope it fits, man. If it's too small, no way.
Well, then we'll have to get another one.
Oh,
The
that
tire
bike,
needs pumping.
that bike fits Tony.
and captured again.
How did I
That's backwards.
No, of course. The red goes in the back.
It's for 8 euro.
Oh, sorry, Kulu.
That fits pretty good for you, right? That's exactly right. You want it to go a little bit forward. A little bit further forward. That's right. Because you just want it to go like one finger above your eyebrow.
What's Alia doing there?
Nicole is saying.
And
I'm going back.
Jess,
Are you
might
riding the
put your knee pads
bicycle?
on right away. You're gonna go for a ride, just in case you take a spill. You don't want to.
It chokes me.
You don't want.
It needs to be tight like that, Jess, so it doesn't fall off.
You don't want to get your holes in your new pants. That's all.
Totally don't want to.
The knee pads
Where's
and stuff
the,
are there.
Why's my hat in there? Wait, it chokes me. Dad, it chokes me.
Jess, it's not
These
just
those
tight.
are beneath.
It's just touching your neck, that's all.
Do I have to be here? It chokes me though.
You'll get used to it.
Yeah, we get used to it. You learn not to swallow or breathe while you're riding.
These are elbow pads, those are knee pads.
So look. Put them on like.
Hey, don't
Yes. Hey.
Hey, do you want to go inside then, Liz?
Fits me, I hate
You can play in the tub if you want.
Hey, you fixed it.
Well, the bugs will eat Alaska.
Well, you're
Just get your ankles. That's where the bugs get me the most.
all right.
And the other ankle piece. Oh, it has to be tight, man. These things are too small for me.
Almost got it. Right on your elbows.
Perfect.
That's how they feel.
Can you bend your elbow though? This one looks like it's not in the right
They're not
spot.
very big.
Does it go, Reed, does it go up a little higher?
Yeah, you're right on the elbow.
So this goes right on your, where your bend is.
Yep.
Okay, try it now. There you go.
Not on the edge.
Okay, you learn how to ride that bike real quick, and then we'll go for a long ride. And I got a new one myself, you know. Not Randy.
Everybody has
Almost.
their bike.
You can stretch it.
Yeah.
You're not.
Yes, it. Oh!
You look great.
Woo!
Way too tight. And it's supposed to be tight too.
Jaslyn, I have stuff like that. I have knee pads too, and they're even bigger than that.
Are you going to try to go?
You might want to try on the grass.
Why?
Or just push her down this hill right here.
Crazy.
Yeah, you got it. Try and stay.
You gotta pedal.
I'll take
The
spot.
secret is to pedal.
No, no. All right,
Oh, go
Jaslyn.
The brakes on, yeah.
Wait, little one is. Daddy, you go first.
Alright, alright.
That's
We're going to have a bike parade here.
incredible, Isabel.
Go break. Hey, Dad, there's a one nice.
Do you know what we're gonna get for you? Your helmet.
Go! When I say go, go. And here.
Easy, stop. You.
Is that seat too high for Jazz?
You help me.
There you go.
How can we put it lower?
Actually, it doesn't look too bad.
I can't go by myself.
What'd you say?
What you doing?
No. Yeah, yeah.
Oh. You having a good time?
Weak. I'm weak. I'm weak.
What are you doing, Isabel? Just hanging out? Jazz, can I get a shot of your outfit?
What are you doing screwing around with that?
I'm getting a shot of these beautiful little kidlings.
I guess so.
Jazz, let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Wait. Hold on.
Would you say, Papa?
That's not pointing at me.
It is.
My teddy.
Now I'm in front of it.
Where's my teddy?
Whoa, that's weird. Keep pointing over there.
It's
Are you,
way out of the
you
way.
going to zip your zipper in front of all of those multitude? We're going to have to tell you. You know who wired Nicole's vest? Bob.
Oh, that's.
I forgot to wash my face.
Ooh. That's not very pretty.
It ain't gonna get any better either.
Here's the pretty ones.
Yeah, except
One
I think
and
Isabel's
two.
hair could be brushed.
Nah.
I think. Just once.
Look at these two little ninglets here. Oh no, that hat has a mind of its own.
You wouldn't know where you would go.
Huh?
You wouldn't know where you would go.
Oh.
Then you would find cute bugs now.
Yeah, that's okay.
I got to go.
Get your suit on, Tom.
Oh yeah.
I hold that and I'll.
Leaving it
started and ended each day with singing through the week, and each child visited all of the 5 interactive sites where they learned a story of Jesus. Each site has a key verse that we will share with you today. Before we go on, I was talking to Fran Jordan last night, and we realized how much VBS touches so many lives. So if you were with one of the UCW groups that donated a SNAP, if you'd kindly stand up and please stay standing. So if you donated a SNAP, please stand up. If you moved some pews, yes you can. If you opened a locked door or two, because we had no keys. If you have a child or grandchild or spouse that was involved this week, please stand up and stay standing. And if you were involved at all this week, children included, please stand up and stay standing. Well, look at this. You know, they say it takes a village to raise a child, but it also takes a church to run a VBS. So give yourselves a hand.
And he went all over the world, and he met the kids that were working, and he even met the Prime Minister, and he got them to make some changes. So some kids have things a little better. Can you imagine if you had to go to work every day? Not much fun, hey? I'll just show you, here's some of the kids that are working. There's one little boy. He's about 8. He works, he makes carpets all day. This week was courageous. He made a difference too. And so I want to encourage all of you to do what you think is right, even if it might be scary to do it. Okay? Now I think you guys are going to sing for us again.